Now I will explain another problem on case 2. The problem is solve d cube plus d square of d dash minus d of d dash square minus d dash whole cube of z equal to 3 sine of x plus y. Solution. First we write the given equation. The given equation is d cube plus d square of d dash minus d dash square minus d dash cube of z equal to 3 of sine of x plus y. Say this is 1. Here observe that this is of the form f of d comma d dash of z equal to capital F of x comma y. This is of the form f of d comma d dash of z equal to capital F of x comma y, where f of d comma d dash equal to d cube plus d square d dash minus d dash square minus d dash cube, and capital F of x comma y equal to 3 of sine of x plus y. Equation 1 has two solutions. One is complementary function and the second one is particular integral. First we have to find out complementary function. To find complementary function, first write the auxiliary equation. Therefore, the auxiliary equation is f of m comma 1 equal to 0. That is, here replacing d by m and d dash by 1. That is m cube plus m square of 1 minus m into 1 square minus 1 cube equal to 0. That is m cube plus m square minus m minus 1 equal to 0. Here first take two terms. Here common m square of m plus 1 minus, here observe that here take common minus 1, that is m plus 1 equal to 0. Here observe that m plus 1 is common factor, take m plus 1 of m square minus 1 equal to 0. M plus 1, here m square minus 1 can be written as m plus 1 of m minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to minus 1 minus 1 1. Here observe that the auxiliary equation has three roots. In three roots, two roots are equal. First write the equal roots. Therefore, complementary function equal to phi 1 of y minus 1x plus x phi 2 of y minus 1x plus write the remaining root phi 3 of y plus 1x. This is the complementary function. Next you have to find out particular integral. To find particular integral. Therefore, particular integral equal to 1 by f of d comma d dash of capital F of x comma y. That equal to 1 by f of d comma d dash means d cube plus d square of d dash minus d dash square minus d dash cube of capital F of x comma y means 3 of sine x plus y. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 1. It is a form of f of ax plus by. A equal to 1, b equal to 1. In this case, we replace d square by minus a square, d dash by minus ab, d dash square means minus b square. That's why you can write 1 by dq means d of d square. Here d square of d dash minus d of d dash square minus d dash q means d dash of d dash square of 3 sine of x plus y. Now replacing, put d square equal to minus a square, that is minus 1 square, that is minus 1. d dash means minus ab, that is minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. D dash square means minus b square, that equal minus 1 square, that is minus 1. That equal to 1 by d of d dash square means minus 1 plus d square means minus 1 of d dash minus d of d dash square means minus 1 minus d dash square means minus 1 of 3 sine of x plus y. That equal to 1 by, this is minus d dash plus d plus d dash of 3 sine of x plus y. You observe the denominator. The denominator value is 0 of 3 minus d plus d minus d dash plus d dash is 0. Okay, this is a case of failure. Now we have to find the particular integral. In case of failure, we do differentiating partially with respect to d. We do differentiating denominator partially with respect to d after putting x in the numerator. That equal to, therefore particular integral equal to x of 1 by dou d of dq plus d square of d dash minus d dash square minus d dash q of 3 sine of x plus y. That equal to x of 1 by dou d. Here partial differentiating with respect d. Here d dash treated as a constant. Derivative of dq means 3d square plus this is constant. Derivative of d square means 2d d dash minus this d dash square is constant. Derivative of d is 1. Now this is constant. Derivative of constant 0 of 3 of sine of x plus. That equal to x of 1 by 3d square plus 2d d dash minus d dash square of sine x plus 1. Again put d square equal to minus 1 square, that is minus 1. D dash means minus 1 into 1, that equal to minus 1. D dash square equal minus b square means minus 1 square equal to minus 1. That equal to particular integral equal to x of 1 by 3d square. 3d square means minus 1 plus 2d d dash means minus 1 minus d dash square means minus 1 of 3 sine of x plus 1. That equal to x of 1 by minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 of 3 of sine of x plus 1. Therefore particular integral equal to minus 3x by 4 sine of x plus y. This is the particular. Now write the complete solution. Therefore the complete solution of one is z equal to complementary function plus particular integral. That is z equal to complementary function pi 1 of y minus 1x plus x into pi 2 of y minus 1x plus pi 3 of y plus 1x. This is complementary function plus particular integral minus 3x by 4 sine of x plus y. Thank you.